Today we're unboxing soaping equipment. I've been waiting a long time to get these. Workshop Heritage unboxing. Can't wait. A handwritten note with the invoice, and then there's this instructions and ooh, cool free sample. I get some micas, and I hope that's a little spoon. I'm trying to find these. Ah, cute little spoon. Okay, what else is in here? That looks like the box, and that's the splitter, and that's how it's packaged. Cool. And there you have it, unboxed from Workshop Heritage. Instructions. That's the splitter. It comes assembled, and then these, I think, go on the sides. I'll figure that out later. That's your free gift with the sample mica and a spoon. Instructions and cool thing on the back. Replacement wires. Nice. This here is the wood mold that comes with it. It's got the handle on both sides. This is a lid that comes up. Inside has instructions and a liner. And this one's unstained, so there's instructions on what to do before you use. And it came with a handwritten note too, so that was nice. Oh, forgot to add, this here comes up, see, makes it easier to take the mold out. And just put that back in.